guys, good morning. So this vlog is a different type of vlog because I woke up at 3:42 a.m. to study because I had four tests today and it was something new which I tried and I planned filming it too. So as you can see, it's like really dark outside and I was also a bit sleepy, but I could push through for some time. So yeah, I started off by studying physics, ray optic, and optical instruments. So I basically practiced the ray diagrams and then did few derivations. And yeah, I was like pretty trying to study, and it was working a bit for some reason because I usually am a night owl because I don't like waking up because I feel really sleepy and give up at sometimes. But that didn't happen today. So then this is whatever I did. So let me just show you all. So this is what I did. This is a flip through of basically whatever I studied this morning. And honestly, it was a really productive session and I really enjoyed doing it. So then that is it. After that, I moved on to English, where we had to study the poem called Water. And yeah, I just read through the summary because I could not have that much patience where I can consume or memorize the information. So I just read through and I was like, Jo hoga dekha jayega. And honestly, it was not that easy because the test went pretty good and also my friends helped a bit. So then later I did Hindi where I just read some of the question and answers and I didn't go to memorize because I knew most of the stuff and I could write it on my own and the test went really really good. So this is also me of time that's like going through whatever I was doing. So then later I had to show you all something which is these are like the tie and dye and batik method, and it is like a white fabric which we did, and it was like home science practical, and I thought of why not show you guys. Well, honestly, the color didn't come off like too much, and we also had to stick it in our records, which I did it in the class. So this is just I wanted to show you all. So then later I packed my bag and I set it according to the timetable, and here is how it looks like. Pretty organized. So yes, it's like tidy and clean. And honestly, I love this bag because it carries a lot of books and it has a large capacity. I like this bag so much. And then here is how the morning weather looks like at 7:30 a.m. in the morning. So it was pretty sunny and a good day. And then this is me brushing my teeth. I honestly was feeling like something else and I don't know why do I look like that. And that is my uniform. I kept it ready and then did some skincare but didn't film the process. Then I was ready to go to school, and that is it for today's video.